guys, it's Janet. Welcome back to my channel. What I'm sharing today is hosting a girls' night in party. I decided to have a girls' night in party a couple of months ago actually, but it just ended up landing in February, so I thought, why not do a Galentine's Day party? I am going to share today how to do some super easy lazy girl treats for Valentine's Day. It doesn't have to be for a girls' party. You can have them, like, take them for a school event that your child might have, or take them to work, something like that. I'm also gonna share like how I set everything up and some cute decorations. So let's get started with the video. The first thing is I did make a super easy invitation on PicMonkey. It was already like a template, so I totally recommend if you wanna make your own invitations ever, go on PicMonkey and all you have to do is put in like the date, time, etc. I'll share what mine looks like here for you, but it took like 5 minutes. I didn't even print them out. Sometimes I do print out my invitations, but this time I did not. I just basically texted everyone and said, hey, come to my girls' night party. As far as the decorations, I have a lot of Valentine's Day decorations already, so I really didn't have to buy anything. I will link my like Valentine's Day decor tour below for you guys, but basically the house is gonna look the same. I do have a tablescape I'm gonna share with you guys during like the filming of the video. I do want to share a couple of things that I did have to purchase because I didn't want to do dishes tonight, so I went ahead and got like paper products. And then also, like I mentioned, I'll show you some super easy snacks that you can make that are really cute. Like, I didn't even bake anything, okay? So I just don't have the time, honestly, and I'm not very good at like decorating cupcakes and things like that. But these look adorable and are super easy. The first thing that I ended up getting were these heart-shaped plates with XOXO, and these are from Walmart. They were like $1.44 for, I think, 8 plates. And then I bought these matching napkins, which are really pretty. They're like a gold foil and say Happy Valentine's Day on there. After I had bought those, Target decided to come out with their like Valentine's paper products, which I had already bought the ones from Walmart, but I went ahead and got the ones from Target because I love them so much and they're just like my color scheme that I love so much. These are it. So they're these pink plates with gold hearts, like gold foil hearts, and then this little mini pink plate with a gold foil. And I think these were a little more expensive than Target. These were a little more expensive than Walmart, but not like too much, maybe like 50 cents more. And then I got these super cute napkins that actually say Happy Galentine's Day. So I love the pink and gold. That's like my favorite color scheme to go with. So I'm gonna probably use the second set, and the first set I'll just save for next year or something. I also bought this cutlery set in gold. It's plastic as well, and it's from Target. The next thing I got, and this is at Home Goods, and I'm not even sure if I'm gonna get to use it, but I just had to have it. I mean, I can definitely use it in another year if I don't, but it's these like wooden heart picks, and because I'm like doing really healthy food like salad, I don't know where I'm gonna use them in the party, but I just wanted to share them because I thought they were so cute. So they're these, and on the back it says like you can use them with cocktails or some food. I'm just having wine tonight, wine and champagne for the girls, so I don't know if I'm gonna get to use them, but I thought they were really cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on super easy treats that you can have, like I said, for your party or take to a party, to take to work. Very easy. Okay, for the first DIY treat for Valentine's Day party or anything that you have going on is super easy. It's just these little Debbie packages that I got at Target, I think. But they have them everywhere. I think they have them at Walmart as well, or probably your local grocery store. And then I bought these Valentine's Day little lollipop sticks, and I'm literally gonna make like cake pops out of this. Okay, I just finished taking out all the treats from the box. All I'm gonna do now is pull them out of the wrapper, put the stick in there, and boom, you have a cake pop. Okay, here are my cake pops. It's just a heart on a stick, and I think they look super cute. The next DIY treat for Valentine's Day you can make is just purchase some pre-made cupcakes from your local grocery store. I bought these at Whole Foods and they're just the mini white cupcakes. And then what I did is purchase these little lips from the store Sugarfina, and I can link it below just in case you don't have a Sugarfina where you're from, because I believe you can shop online at their store. And basically we're gonna take the cupcakes out, put them on a pretty cake stand, and put those lips on them. Okay, I just set all the cupcakes on my cake stand and I started putting the lips on there, the ones from Sugarfina. I just think it looks really cute. Super easy for those busy women like myself. It's hard to like film and put lips on the cupcakes, so I'm gonna put the camera down. But yeah, you get the idea. While I'm over there setting up my treats, I have my husband over here helping me, which thank God, he's setting up my meat and cheese plate that is gonna be just kind of like a little appetizer for the girls when they first get here, and it's looking really cute. I bought everything at Trader Joe's, pretty much pre-cut, everything really simple. I also want to share, I did do a small candy bar. I already had these candy dishes or these jars from like my hot cocoa bar, I believe, and then I just bought candy at my local grocery store and filled them up. Then I purchased these little bags at Target, which are like treat bags, so I'm gonna stick them in these little hearts that I have so people can go ahead and make like a little candy bag and take home after the party. Here's everything set up. Chicken's gonna go in here, but for filming purposes, it's not in there yet. Here's the drink station. Wine glasses. Oh, I have to get the wine out. The wine will be there too. Have this. Okay, and here is the Tablescape. That's everything for my Galentine's Day party. Hope you liked the video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Okay, everyone's still having drinks, eating, chatting, but I have to show you 8 ladies, or 9 ladies, and 5 bottles of wine.